Here we are, room 7256. Just walked in the door. I'll take you right through and then we'll come back and look at like the closets and that kind of stuff. So this is a veranda room. Let's see what we got outside here. So we got on our veranda, it's a nice size. We got 2 chairs and a table so we could sit out here, have some snacks, watch the world go by. So this room is right before the bump. This is here looking out at the bump, and then when we look down forward, that's the rest of the ship and the port here in Fort Lauderdale. But yeah, so if you're really concerned about your viewpoint, you're not able to look aft at all because you are immediately in front of the bump. All right, so we've got a small desk with a chair. Is there a drawer there? There's a drawer there, some water.
Plugs? What kind of plugs we got?
We've got 2 110 plugs, 1 international plug, no USB activity here. A little couch, which unlike typical celebrity stuff, we definitely have a considerable amount of wear, kind of crazy amount of wear by celebrity standards. We got a small little table here. Obviously the bed with the phone, little stand, a couple cubbies, no power, no USB, 2 sconces, reading lights. Oh, let's see what we got up here. Oh, we got nice storage up here. We've got nice storage up here over the bed on both sides. We have a little baby flat screen TV. 3 nice drawers, nice deep drawers. I'm gonna say safe. Yep, I guessed that right. Look, I've done this stuff before. Ooh, and a mini fridge full of stuff so we could booze it up. Here is the closet. Let me just take a look real quick. Lots and lots of hangers for you. 1 mini-sized robe, another row for hangers. No shelves. No shelves in the storage area at all. And then let's take a look at the bathroom. Okay, so this is kind of like standard old school bathroom. And it's amazing how 10 years ago has turned into old school, but it's a standard old school bathroom. Let's see what kind of products are here.
Products.
We have the celebrity brand products.
Products.
Nothing fancy there. Interrupting this room review to tell you, Nikki and I, when we travel, people always comment what you use to record your memories, that kind of stuff. It will never be a cell phone. It is normally a GoPro Hero 12 Black. If you wanted to get really extravagant, here's a Hoheim iSteady Pro 4, which just makes amazing, stable video with very little expense to it. This is it. No crazy microphones, no wild cameras, a simple GoPro, a basic Hoheim gimbal, and that is it to make this kind of artwork. You'd really enjoy it. Let's go back to that room review. More celebrity brand products, a normal size shower, nothing kind of crazy, nothing kind of small either. Just, this is a very generic-y kind of room. That's what I'm going to call it. Very generic-y kind of room. A little, again, I'm a little thrown off by the wear and tear on the couch. So not celebrity in general, but overall, nice basic veranda room. That's what this is. Okay, I'm back to talking about wear and tear. Like, this is definitely not the freshest looking stuff we've ever seen on a celebrity ship, that's for sure. I hope this video has been helpful. If there's more information you need, put it in the comments below. Nikki and I will try to get back to you on that. And here are some video recommendations which YouTube is sure you're going to really enjoy, so click on those.